Okay, someone told me that I should try to make chocolate croissants with Phyllo. I'm a little skeptical to try this, but let's see how it goes. My cat wants to help out as well. You can see he has to test everything with his paws to make sure that everything is safe. I'm cleaning some residue after my cat's visit. Oh gosh, I can't believe it came back again. Phyllo dough is mostly used for Mediterranean dishes. They're often very thin and crispy, and I'm just curious how this will turn out. Okay, so I'm not happy with the results. They're very thin and crispy. I'm not sure why this person thinks this would work out great for croissants. To be honest, this is not a real croissant, but it is tasty if you add some jam inside. Yeah, it turned out okay, but it's not for me.